Can you bring that here for Mama? Bring it here. Bring it here. I want to see it.
Thanks for learning with Leapfrog. Bye-bye.
Can I see it? Pick it back up. Let's go. Can I see it? Bring it to Mama. Evan. Evan, will you bring that to Mama? Bring it here. Drooling all over it. Can I see it? Whoop! Here, want it? Come on. No, walk. No crawling. Walk. Walk. Come on. Oh, what is this? You're too excited. You're too excited. Ooh. Ew. Thanks, dude.
Thanks for learning with Leapfrog. Bye-bye.
Are you going to put it up there? Good job. You're so smart. You're so smart. Yes, you are. You're such a smarty pants. Oh, good job. Good job. Are you going to put both of them up there? You're going to make a tower? Stack them up. Stack them up. It's Uncle Jono. Say, John.
Hey.
Say, look at my stuff, dude.